Hello and warm welcome to this presentation by Brightpoint Infotech. Brightpoint Infotech is a consultancy firm with its head office in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and operating in Africa, India, USA, and all the parts of the world. Today we are blessed with a presentation by Upal, our senior manager. He's going to take us through transformational technology solutions that Brightpoint has brought in. And here we're talking about Flexi PerDiem. Helps in breaking up the meals configuration, time frame for meals, skipping meals irrespective of whether you've traveled in that day or another day, unavailability of meals or breaks on the expense report. Limitations to this was that it's difficult for normal system to break up meals if it is in part of the PerDiem expenses time frame, and this has really been a challenge. That's why Brightpoint has configured this small system to manage these issues. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to take this opportunity and deep dive into the system and show you what we have developed. Show you the workflow. You start by setting PerDiem based on the state. Ensure that you configure the categories. You create the expense report. Then you will select the location, which is important. You'll add the subcategories, enter your daily PerDiem, and you will submit this for approval. This helps you so much in configuring or putting the various categories of this PerDiem and even the timing. I think with this now we can go straight to the system and see. So once you've successfully logged in the system, you'll go to expenses, reports, and you'll be able to create the header of that report by clicking on the purpose of the report. You'll click on the location, and for this case we're looking at the location of Phoenix. Then after that you will save the header of the report, and you will need to, as the system is saving, you will definitely need to enter the lines. And this is what is interesting. This app is going to be a very small function and user friendly, so you'll have to enter the expense category of the PerDiem. You'll also have to enter or key in the location, because we told you it's going to be tight on the location. Then you'll have to capture in or populate some few information like the reasons for this, customer PerDiem or customer visit, or whichever works for you. Then you'll also have to capture when this travel took place. So the PerDiem we're capturing is 1st September to 2nd September. Now the essence and the gist of the system is that when you go somewhere, the first day you might go when the break is finished. In this case, you're seeing we have $130, which has to include breakfast, meal, dinner, and supper for the 2 days. Now our case would go back to saying the last day we may leave before dinner, and we want to exclude dinner from our system. So then you will remove the dinner manually, and then also come to fast and remove breakfast, because maybe we arrived when they had already served the breakfast, so we don't need it. So our expense amount should lower to $185, which then you'll go into the lines and key the amount 85. You will save this or submit for approval, depending on the approval hierarchy that you've set in the system. This is how simple that customization is to help you manage your PerDiem. That's why we call it Flexi PerDiem system, and it is really doing wonders for many of our clients. As Brightpoint will continue to thank you. Please follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and reach out to us with the various contacts that you see for our various locations. Thank you and have a blessed day.